PCI DSS Incident Reports, Blameless, Auditor Ready Language. Welcome! In this micro lesson, we'll craft incident reports that are clear, neutral, and ready for regulators. Your goal is to write incident narratives that any auditor can follow without extra context. We'll focus on meeting PCI DSS and general auditor expectations, using language that is factual and measurable. The secret is to explain what happened without blame or emotion. Just verified facts, actions taken, and evidence collected. By the end, you'll have wording patterns and a structure you can reuse, so your reports are consistent, defensible, and easy for stakeholders to approve quickly. Keep the tone blameless by describing actions and impacts, not personal opinions. Write what was done, what was observed, and what changed. Attribute events to systems and processes, not individuals. Say, the authentication process failed, instead of, John forgot. Ground every statement in verifiable data such as logs, timestamps, host names, ticket numbers, rule IDs, and metrics. For example, at 10:41 Coordinated Universal Time, VPN auth failures spiked to 312 per minute on Gateway G1 per Grafana Panel A12. This style shows control, traceability, and professional neutrality, exactly what auditors expect. Use a predictable structure. First, state what happened as an objective event. Outbound traffic from CDE segment exceeded baseline. Next, specify when and where with a timeline, systems, and locations. Times in UTC, system names, and environment. Then cover detection, containment, and eradication. Who or what detected it, how you limited impact, and how you removed the cause. Finally, present root cause and corrective actions, linking them to evidence and owners. This sequence mirrors audit reviews, makes gaps obvious, and helps leaders assess risk and readiness quickly. Choose neutral verbs like observed, identified, initiated, validated, completed. They signal facts and progress. Avoid blame-laden words such as fault, negligence, human error. They invite argument and don't improve controls. When possible, use passive or neutral agents. The system generated alerts. The process blocked access. Access was revoked. This keeps focus on controls and outcomes, not personalities. Pair neutral wording with specifics. IDs, counts, durations, versions, patch numbers. Precision plus neutrality creates reports that stand up to scrutiny and reduce back and forth with auditors. Connect findings to specific PCI DSS controls to show compliance intent, e.g., maps to 10.x logging and 11.x testing requirements. Clearly state scope, whether cardholder data CHD, cardholder data environment CDE systems, or third parties were involved. Document evidence that proves actions occurred. Tickets, change IDs, scans, SIEM queries, vulnerability reports, and config screenshots. Example: evidence, incident INC 10245, change CR 22107, Qualis scan Q7781, SIEM query QRY44. These links turn a narrative into an auditable record that aligns with control monitoring. Use concise, data-rich detection lines. For example, at 14:22 Coordinated Universal Time, the SIEM identified unusual egress from host CDEDB02. Another, the IDS generated Priority 1 alerts referencing Rule ID 200-3015, Quantify deviations. Cardholder data access spike exceeded baseline by 35%. Add context when helpful. Source/destination, protocol, user, asset tag, ticket ID. Keep each sentence self-contained so it can be lifted into timelines. Aim for reproducibility. If someone reruns the same query, they should see the same signal and timestamps you reported. Show swift, specific actions. Example: network team initiated containment by isolating VLAN30 at 14:29 Coordinated Universal Time. Another: compromised account was disabled. Password reset enforced tenant-wide. And eradication completed after re-imaging host and patch KB503-0213 applied. Include sequence, owners, and verification. Who executed, when it started and ended, and how success was confirmed. Reference tickets or playbooks when available. This clarity demonstrates control maturity and makes it easy for auditors to trace each step from decision to execution. Document cause and learning with verifiable links. Example: root cause traced to outdated SFTP key rotation policy, 90+ days. Then show risk reduction. Compensating control added. PAM with just-in-time access. Close the loop with proof of change. Procedure updated. Evidence: change rec CR 11872. Training log TL 455. Add owners and due dates if relevant. Keep the language neutral, focusing on controls and outcomes. This format shows continuous improvement and creates a clear audit trail from issue to remediation and training.